Fitness is about maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Hi, I'm Sheetal. Today I'm going to perform asanas and meditations which will help in gaining weight. The first pose I'm performing is called Utkat Asana or the chair pose. I am beginning by standing straight with my arms on my sides and feet placed together. Then I am raising my arms above my head, close to the ears, while my fingers are directed towards the sky. Next, I am partially squatting by bending my knees and making them parallel with the thighs, as if I am sitting on a chair. Now, I am gently leaning my upper body slightly towards the front. I am focusing on my palms and keeping my back erect. I am holding this pose for 10 to 15 breaths. The second pose I am performing is called Vajrasana. I am beginning at a tabletop position and then bringing my knees and feet close to each other. Next, I am kneeling on the floor and sitting back on my heels. I am keeping my head and spine straight and my hands on my knees. I am holding this position for about 10 minutes while concentrating on my breathing. Whenever you feel uncomfortable, go back to the neutral position. The third pose I am performing is known as Savasana. I am lying down on my back freely with my legs and arms spread apart in a relaxed posture. I am making sure I am breathing naturally and at an even pace. Then I am consciously relaxing each and every part of my body. I am making sure that I stay awake all through the practice of relaxation. I am holding this pose for another 5 to 10 minutes. Every yoga session takes you a step further to your fitness goal. On this happy note, this is Sheetal taking your leave. Until we meet next, keep growing, keep glowing.